Hey, we're back with this 69 Mach 1 project. Alf took off for the weekend and I'm afraid you're stuck with me all day. I'll be working on the dash. I'll be getting the whole dash out, all the wiring out, and just trying to get this thing gutted as much as possible. So anyway, that'll be it.
Oh yeah.
Nice. Another little rainbow.
Yeah.
Good job. Hey everyone, welcome back to Alf's Mustang Garage. Today we decided to leave Mike at the shop so he can work on the 69 Mach 1, and we decided to go fishing. How's it going, Justin?
Yeah, not too bad.
Not too bad.
Pretty good.
All right. Well, I hope Mike's doing good, so we'll leave him to it. Okay, well, hopefully Mike's been doing a lot of work back at the shop. We've been working hard here at Flaming Gorge, and if you can't tell, we've been working really hard here. So we'll check back in with Mike, and hopefully he's you know, got a lot done on that Mach 1. I assume he's probably got the dash out.
Possibly.
He may have the dash out. We don't really know.
Yeah.
We'll go back and check on him. So anyways, well, cool. We'll make that a video, and go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel. Like the video, give us a thumbs up, all those fun YouTubey things, and we'll catch you on the next go around.